Hello, Paul again here from EMD Automotive. I got this, remember the actual door trim I was talking about, part 1? Not sure what video, get lost sometimes. This is the actual door trim for a Porsche 981. They share the same as the 991, they share the same as the 987. But the 991, 981, they have these kind of clips here. They're hooks like this on the door, so you gotta push the door trim up, pull it up, and then take it out. On the 997, you have to pull the door this way, door trim towards you, because they're clipped on by round clips that go through the door frame. All right, but this one here, I just want to show you what I've done. So now, yeah, I had this in the car already, but I wasn't happy, so I had to take it out and just put one more of those, this one here. So the first one I put was plastic. That one, then I waited for a long time to get it sorted, get it set. And then once the actual plastic glue sets, I took it out and I used this one here, epoxy bonding. This is ESK 50. Worth ESK 50 is really good, and this one here is really good as well. So anything to do with plastic or door trims, I use this ESK 50 on aluminium, Cayman aluminium coolant housing pipes, because they are pressed in for the one in the front on the 4.8 liter. So I use that around the aluminium pipes so they don't come off. Pretty good. Have a look at it now. So now it's more secure. I got the black glue, plastic glue first, and now I got the actual epoxy ESK 50, which is the clear one there. You can see right here as well. So now this is like a rock now. Really tight. Same one as this one here as well. And then now I'm going to install this back on. I had to put the heat gun on it to actually make it more firm. But now look at that. It's not moving at all. It's perfect. So now I'm going to install this back on, and then we'll go from there. Yeah, I had to pull it off because it's just that sometimes didn't really like the way the glue was sitting, so I had to put some more of the actual ESK 50. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.